Hello everyone, day 88 of 21 days challenge of spoken English. What the changes we have made in these 88 days, in these 87 days? Uh, we have spent 87 days. It means if we start any good habit and if we consistently following that, it means it would affect our mind and body in different way, and it can reach us on the next level, whether it is anything. If we take a resolution that I will not sleep until I meet today's target. Another one can be, I will not eat today anything until I reach my today's target. This can be one thing. In the starting you will feel some hurdles, some problems, and some hardships also. But when you will start this, starting the early 3 to 4 days, you will feel what is happening. I am taking very low sleep, and I am feeling very lazy in my whole day. These things can be happen over all the day. But after 3 to 4 days or just 7 days, we will be getting a vibe that we can't sleep without completing our today's target. Our mind is working on the target only. Our mind is working that how can I achieve today's target, what targets I should set for today that I can meet, what the target should be there that can change myself, that which the targets which would be streamline my goal, which would be streamlined to reach my goal. So this is a practice, and we build this by a habit. Yeah, this is a very constant thing that we have to face some trouble. If we want great times, we have to spend bad time. We have to take hard decisions, and I'm gonna take it. Today I have decided a target and I am working on it. I was feeling that it is very hard. How can I complete it? How can I achieve it? I think I am not getting it today also, because I was procrastinating it from last 3 days. But I decided today that I will complete it. And now when I sit to complete that, I again I am again feeling that it is too hard, or how to do it. I am not getting it. But is there any option to switch? Is there any option to skip? No, we have to submit, we have to complete it anyhow. We don't have any other option, so why to procrastinate? Why not to complete it right now? I have taken this decision that I will make every day's target whatever will be, and I will not sleep until I meet my the same day's target anyhow, right? And many times you feel lazy, many times you feel very low confident you're in your whole day. Why is that? Because you have not spent yesterday's very good. Your morning was not good. Your morning thoughts were negative, anxietyful, or horrible, or whatever it be. But these were negative feelings in your morning or in your yesterdays. That's why you are feeling very low confidence in your whole day. I will make sure that my mind is working only on the targets, on the practices, even when I'm sleeping. I'm going to do it. I'm going to achieve it anyhow. And whatever the predicaments come in front of me, whatever the predicaments come forth, I will do it. If I want to get success, so it will never come for free. It asks some payment, some fees always. And that fees is discipline, that fees is dedication. Right, guys? And I know that we have not changed, we have not seen a very drastic change in these. Drastic is very far, but I have not seen a good change, whatever what it should be. I have not seen that change in these 87 days properly. I have not made any change to my communication because I have I have become habitual to of making videos, but I am not improving it still. Just I am working on it. I am following my regular practices, but I am not realizing how I am I really improving? Am I really working on that? Am I really going forward doing these regular practices? Am I learning really in a proper method? Is this method is working? So these things are very necessary to realize, to introspect, and yeah, that is the thing. I am setting every day new target, and I will meet that the same day's target, and only after then I sleep. And I don't care if I feel sleepy my whole day, but I just complete my target, only then I go to sleep in the night. It is nothing, yaar. Sleeping is nothing. Because we are habitual from our childhood. That's why we feel the sleeping in night is very necessary, and I am feeling lazy. But the people, there are so many people and legend and successful people who don't sleep even the whole night when they are focused on their target, on their work. It is a very small thing. They even don't think about sleeping when they are focused on their work. That I should sleep, it is time to go to bed. This is nothing for them because they have become habitual of doing this practice, right? So I don't want to carry forward this bad habit in my new year. I have just started doing this practice right now, and from today's I will make sure that I am sleeping only after completing my same day's target, and I am making everyday new target. That will be and that will lead to complete my weekly target. Right? What is this? This is what I will set a weekly target, and how to achieve that weekly target. I will make sure that I will set one target for every 7 day, and these all 7 days will make sure that I will achieve my weekly target, right? So yeah, that is the thing for today, and making some changes are very necessary, guys. All the people who have become legendary, all the people we want to follow them, they were nothing in their childhood or in their starting point. They were nothing. They have not followed any formal education. They have not followed any popular paths followed by all the people. They have followed a different way, which is risky, which is horrible, which is terrifying. But they followed. because they wanted to achieve, because they wanted to make some changes, right? So just having belief is the big thing. If we have belief that we can do it, so then we can do it. Many times I am saying this, but most of the times I also don't follow this thing because I am not habitual of this. Being habitual is very necessary, and how it will become our habit? By following it daily. Our mind will become automatically habitual of this practice, of this habit, right? So yeah guys, let's do it and make the new year the changing year, the turning point of our life. So let's meet tomorrow. Best of luck guys.